Back out here in Granite. Big cars died, so we're at the little Groms now. Gorgon Grom and the Granite Grom. Oh, okay. Okay, Granite. Ooh, big rocks. Maybe I'll get an arm of big rock.
Here to tell you right now, we don't care. Let me tell you, we don't.
Get it. What are you on?
75.
Oh.
Still not messing with you.
I'm on 75 now. One. Can you grab it? Oh, no, we got it. I got it. My thing don't get. Oh, never mind. Yeah, no, it's not stuck. It's good. Jump. Ooh, that's a bad spot. Do not jump there. Ooh! I just hit your car. All right, let's go on 100. And there's mud. If you want to go in the mud. Hold on, you're on my wheel. Now you're on the car. Let me move you out the way. Out and I flip it. 100 is something different on this car. Because this car is the lightest and smallest out of all of them. And with metal diffs, this thing's amazing. Look at those tires. Look at the tires. Oh, no, no, no. Oh, good flip. What happened?
Put over that little hill like it did before.
See, the Mojaves.
I feel like you trying to run my shit to dirt.
No. The Mojaves can actually get these cars out. Like, unflipped. These things can't. I was about to jump that too until that happened. Wow, good jump. Playing soccer with the RC car. Stay on the wheels now.